Molly would lose her mind if she was here right now. And really, balloons are a party staple, and but they are also a great way to dress up any holiday or special occasion. So our next guest is here to show us how we can create our own festive balloon arrangements for Christmas. Please welcome back balloon expert Sandi Missouri. Welcome back, Sandi.
Thank you.
Oh my God, it's so fun.
Merry Christmas in July.
I know. I love your hat. When you're here, it's like it's time to have fun.
That's right. You know, there's nothing says party like balloons.
Okay, so when I look at these things, I'm like, this, can I do this? And you're saying, yes, I can. And it is perfect for the holidays.
Absolutely, absolutely. So, here's the thing, right? It packs small, it plays big, right? I mean, when the balloons are not inflated, they don't take up that much space.
Yeah.
And I want to point something out. All of these decorations here are all air. There's no helium. We don't need helium to have a good time.
So you don't need like the big machine.
Yeah,
All
so you don't need the big tank. You don't have to worry about them floating off into the environment, getting away. All you need is actually what we're using for these bases is a lamp stand.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Really anybody could do this. Okay,
really anybody could do
today
this.
You're going to be showing us how to do a candy cane and a wreath.
Yes. Today we're going to be doing a candy cane and a wreath.
All right,
and
let's get started.
we are going to be using these long skinny balloons. They're
right.
called 260s. And the reason that they're called 260s is because they are approximately, when fully inflated, 60 inches long and 2 inches wide.
Oh, all right. I'm learning the balloon expert jargon.
Exactly. It is jargon.
Most people
exactly. Most people just call them like animal balloons or those long skinny ones.
All right, no, the 260s. We have our 260s.
That's right. So we're going to take two 260s.
Okay.
And it is a little bit hot and humid, so the balloons are a little bit extra squeaky today. We got sound effects. So here's what we're going to do. First of all, we're going to give them a little stretch gently, just to get kind of the full length out of it, and also to kind of move the pressure around a little bit.
All right.
Okay. Now, the next thing is, quick little tip, and this is the biggest mistake that non-balloon people make when they're twisting balloons, is that they want to start on the wrong end. You always want to start on the side where it's tied, because that way the air can move down.
All right, and in this way it would just get all backed up?
Exactly. If you're going to start down here, I mean, right now we have it fairly consistently inflated, but most of the time you're going to have like a tail over here and then lots of pressure here, and so then you have nowhere to go.
Perfect.
So anyways, now what we're going to do is we're going to take our balloons and we're just going to grab them in our hand just like you are. Perfect. We're going to squeeze them together.
Squeeze them?
Yep. And then we're going to just twist. And don't be scared of the balloons. If it pops, no big deal. Pull out another one. They're cheap.
Twist.
All right, and just flip one around the other.
Flip around?
Yep, and that locks it.
Oh, easy enough.
So now what we're going to do is spiral it. Now we want a spiral that is not too loose and not too tight. So kind of that perfect tension. And what you can do if it's kind of like rolling around your hands is you can just kind of put it between your legs, between your knees, and kind of hold on to it to give yourself a counter pressure. And like I said, we got sound effects. It's extra squeaky today. So now that we got to the end, what do you think we're going to do?
Twist it.
Twist it. Squeeze it and twist it. That's right. And then just gently flip one under to lock it down.
And I got to say, you can't not do this with a smile on your face.
It's
just fun.
It's true. So now we have like a swizzle stick, a little javelin, something like that.
Happy face?
Happy face, that's right. Yes, all kinds of things that we can do with this. A very versatile design. But what we're going to do is we're going to turn it into candy cane.
All right.
So we're just going to grab that end and we're going to kind of roll it around our arm a little bit and just give a gentle little squeeze. And that's going to kind of train the balloon to stay in that candy cane shape.
Let's see if I got it. Oh, I did it!
You did it, yeah. And then you can just kind of, like where it's bent, you just go bend it a little bit in the opposite direction.
My gosh, I honestly did not think I was going to be able to do it.
Yahoo! You did it!
So that's simple enough.
I told you you'd be a balloon expert by the end of this.
My daughter Molly will love it. But the wreath, we have the wreath
yes.
too. How do we do that?
So now we're going to do pretty much the same thing. Again, we're going to take one of those swizzle sticks, and I pre-prepared it just to make it a little bit faster.
All right.
But this time, instead of shaping it, we're going to take the two ends and twist them together to form a circle.
Easy.
Yep.
Okay.
All right, and like I said, extra squeaky today. Hi.
Okay, and then the
and now we're going to make the bow. So now we're going to take a third 260, stretch it out, get our full length out of it. Okay, and we're just going to take it and we're going to fold it in the center. Okay, and then we're going to go about a third of the way down, squeeze and twist, and of course flip one under. So now we have like an awareness ribbon. Okay. And then we're going to pinch one end and twist it.
Okay, I got you so far.
Exactly. And now we're going to, so now we have like a fish.
Okay. And our fish becomes a bow. How do we do
That's right.
that?
So now we squish the fish and we make a bow.
Oh my gosh. I can't
Woohoo! You did it.
it.
Oh my God, you're gonna take my job. You're amazing.
And then I'm guessing you just attach it on.
And then you
at the
just,
bottom?
right, so what we're gonna do is we're just gonna take one of these bubbles and just wrap it right around. Hey, we're gonna lose that guy.
Oh my gosh, that's so fun. I'm gonna attach mine in a minute. This is the best. I did not think I could do it, but now I feel like I can do it. And it
That's
really
right.
does
That's
make me so, so happy.
So you're gonna make one of those for Christmas, right?
We'll see. Maybe next time. We'll have you back to
into
teach
it.
me that. Thank
You can find it on my YouTube channel.
Oh, thank
There
you
you
so
go.
much, Sandy.
Thank
And for
you.
full instructions, you can visit hallmarkchannel.com. And for more from Sandy, make sure to check out balloonutopia.com.
And go forth and balloonify.
Coming up, guys, more with the family. Don't go anywhere. Hey, it's like a bat.